Millennium Golf Discs was founded in 1995 by John Houck and Duvall to produce discs for disc golf. In 2008, Millennium became a subsidiary of Circular Productions, LLC under the leadership of the original co-founder John Houck. The company is a worldwide manufacturer of original premium golf discs. In early 2011, Discs Unlimited took over the day-to-day operations of Millennium and moved the business to Kansas. Discs Unlimited has been distributing disc golf discs to stores and players all over the world since 1987. Millennium Golf Discs' home office is in Herington, Kansas. Products: their Sirius Orion Long Fade Driver and Sirius Orion Long Straight Driver are the only matched drivers in premium plastic offered industry-wide. While other manufacturers like Innova, Discraft, and Whammo offer golf discs, they do not offer a premium long-range driver pair like Millennium. Publicity: Team Millennium is a team of professional disc golf players that compete in tournaments worldwide and championship titles around the world. Mark Stedham, a Team Millennium member, won his second straight world champion title in the Advanced Grandmasters in 2008. Leslie Brinster, another player, won the 8-year Pro Women Champion title at the Eric Yetter Memorial Tournament. Michaels won 4 number 1 titles in Texas in 2008 and was 28th in the World Championships. Millennium annually hosts the world's biggest disc golf weekend, a worldwide event that introduces people to disc golf and helps to spread interest in the sport while it raises money for non-profit charities worldwide. External links: Professional Disc Golf Association, Disc Golf Association, Disc Golf Foundation, Disc Golf Course Review, Houck Design, Millennium Golf Discs, Circular Productions. World's biggest disc golf weekend.